So we're at Dualley. We're about 25, 29 k's away from Cowra. So I work here with my husband, who's a Kiwi, so he loves the hills. But no, we're here with our two children, and when we first bought the property, it was pretty run down, but we're now very much a mixed farm. So we do prime lamb, we trade some weaners, and we also do fodder cropping. And we just love the place. Yeah, we love where we live. Well, when we first bought the property here, it was sort of slam bang in the middle of a drought. So there was no fencing, there was very limited water supply, and not a lot of pasture, and very few trees. So we noticed that the land was, well, to me, was suffering. So I thought, right, I need to learn about the area, I needed to learn about the environment because we were new to the area, I needed to learn about the climate, and one of the best places you can go is to the LLS because they have all that in one space. So that's why I did the course. We believe that when we're sort of custodians of the land, so we believe that when we actually come to a property that we'd like to enhance it and to improve it, and the best way is to look at it holistically. So that's one of the reasons why we went there, because the LLS has all that information in one spot. So it gave us wonderful information, actually it was invaluable information, also the confidence for us to actually identify the problem areas and to understand the species and also what to do with water. So it gave us a lot of information that we were then able to map out our plan. The opportunity is amazing. So not only is the knowledge all in one spot for all the facets and holistic elements of the environment and your farming production, but you also have this amazing network so you have other farmers who are like-minded in that room. And I believe that more minds put together is better than just one. So they will see something when you're analysing your maps and when you're analysing, your ideas and plans, that other people's inputs, you always get new ideas, you always get valuable feedback, and yeah, I think it's a wonderful thing to do. The maps were amazing. The maps are fantastic. We've got them stuck up on our wall and you can continuously see and have your projects continually growing and evolving. So having all those type of resources and that on-tap knowledge and the collaborative element, fantastic. It's amazing because we are now seeing the benefits of what we've done. So the environment itself, the ecosystems have improved, our water quality has improved. We've got shelter belts, so we're actually losing less ewes because predominantly we're a ewe and lamb production area. So we've got great shelter, excellent water. The bird life has improved, so we're using less chemicals and pesticides because nature's doing its thing, which is wonderful. And we've noticed that even the soil has improved in terms of our pasture quality. Everything's just improved, and as a result, our property looks amazing, I think, and it's actually increased our asset. So it's not only just environmentally, but our production KPIs have increased, and also our asset value has increased. So when we were here, we were probably running, we would have struggled to run about 500 ewes, lambing ewes. We're now up to 2,000. So yeah, it's increased our productivity immensely. And just seeing the animals, they're healthy, they're happy, and that just means that we're healthy and happy as well if our animals and our ecosystem is. So yeah, it gives us great pleasure.